Hey guys, today we're going to talk about how you can record an electric guitar amp. Our focus will be mostly on microphone placement and technique to get a good sound. We'll talk about some of the advantages and disadvantages of the different positions and how the sound changes as the microphone goes from the center of the speaker to the outside edge. So the first step to recording an electric guitar is to find a good tone. This will completely depend on your preference, the instrument you're using, and what model of amp you have. Once you've found your sound, you need to pick a microphone. For loud electric guitars, we recommend a good dynamic microphone. The Shure SM57 is a very popular choice among musicians for recording electric guitar. The next step, and probably the most important part of any good guitar recording, is choosing where you're going to place the microphone. When we're talking about microphone placement, we generally mean position against the speaker. Since we're using a dynamic microphone, we like to have the microphone right up against the grill of the amp. Then we choose how it is positioned from left to right as well as the angle it will be at. To keep a consistent guitar sound for comparison, we've recorded a clean track directly into our audio interface. We'll plug the output of our interface into the input of the amp and record the sound we get. After that's done, we'll normalize all the tracks to -0.1 dB so they all have the same volume level. First, we're going to play back the clean guitar track we're using with the amp. Next, we're going to place the microphone at the center of the speaker with no angle. This microphone position will give us the brightest sound of the four we are testing. It also sounds like there's a lot of fuzz compared to some of the other distortions we'll get. I'm not too much of a fan of this position since it can create a harsh sound that's not too pleasant to listen to. Now we'll move the microphone to the edge of the speaker. Putting the microphone near the edge of the speaker gives us the most low-end frequencies. It's got a better distortion sound than in the center, but it's also missing too much high frequencies. This amount of low-end will definitely cause a cluttered mix when we go to add bass guitar unless equalization is used, particularly with a high-pass filter. Next, we'll test the sound we get with the microphone partway between the center and the edge of the speaker. This is a common place to put the microphone. As we'd expect, having the microphone halfway between the edge and center of the speaker gives us the best sound so far. We get a good clean high end without too much harshness and a good solid distortion. There's still a lot of booming in the low end, but we can easily take care of that with a high pass filter. Finally, we're going to keep the microphone in the same position as the last time, but we'll turn it slightly towards the outside edge of the speaker. This is called recording off-axis. This position is similar to the previous one, but it seems like it would cut through the mix a little better and has slightly better balanced frequencies. Once again, I would recommend a high-pass filter to clean up the low end. Thanks for watching this video on different microphone techniques you can use to record an electric guitar. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel to see more of our videos. If you're looking for something else to watch, check out our videos on screen that talk about how you can get started with Audacity for free music recording, and a quick overview of all the different effects you'll need to know to start recording music. If you want to see more of our content in the future, you can like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. Links to our social media accounts can be found in the video description.